Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, put on gloves and a towel, and make sure you already completed a 48-hour patch test. Once done, part dry, clean hair into 4 to 6 sections, and clip tightly. Mix only as instructed by the product. Then load the applicator or spoon and place the cream 1/2 inch from the scalp. Apply slowly along a small root line area to check absorption. This first pass tells you how the black cream will spread. You now continue by targeting roots and then mid-lengths. Begin with roots because they process faster. Once roots are saturated, move outward in 1/4-inch strokes and gently comb through to avoid streaks. Make sure to work methodically section by section so coverage is uniform. Set a timer for the recommended 20 to 30 minutes and monitor darkness. If your hair is resistant, add up to 5 more minutes only as allowed. Rinse plan is next, so prepare warm water and conditioner. You finish by rinsing thoroughly until the water runs clear, then apply the included conditioner and leave it on for 2 to 5 minutes to lock pigment. Once rinsed, blot dry and avoid heat styling for 24 hours so the color sets. If you spot uneven patches, do a targeted touch-up. Reapply only to those areas for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse. Troubleshooting tip. If skin staining occurs, remove promptly with a gentle oil or makeup remover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.